through. You've seen one hand root, and they're really red. They're not a brown like you see at Flinders Ranges. These are an extreme red colour. So we're going to do a triangle. So we'll drive along this road and do a loop and almost get to Pedy, to Animator, and then we'll go through and Data, sorry, Data, and then take a left-hand turn and go along the Painted Desert. Now, if it's anything like it was up in 21 and 22, it'll be slow going over the top of the rocks and stuff like that. But the views are magnificent. So, another one for that. So, we've just gone past a dwelling in the middle of nowhere. Got a car coming the other way, way up ahead, and you can see. So there's the mountains in the distance, and a couple of ranges that I saw as we get closer. I'm to see the colour. Well, we're on the gravel road now. Quite smooth, consistent with yesterday when we went from William Creek across to Pedy. It was as smooth as. It was really nice. So we'll just have to see. But we might be lucky. They might have graded the roads, but here's hoping. But we're getting closer and closer to the rock formations. It's beautiful in the sun. Just lovely. Very chill wind, reminding us that it's winter out here. All I know is when we watch the news and they show the weather reports up this way, it's always 45 and higher. Pretty ferocious weather. Very pleased with this road.
That's as far as they're going today.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. So we've just gone past a couple of graders. One grader, a roller. So that's the tire marks we've been seeing all over the place. And now we're back to the normal roads, what we're used to. So I think this would be all the time soon. It'd be a continual job. And as you go through here, so now we're down to about 60 k's. But that's okay, it's not a onerous kilometres amount of driving, and much easier to take it steady than fly through and end up damaging stuff. far as the eye can see. A little bit of salt bush out here. Okay, windows up. Indicator.
Not
Okay.
flies out either.
No, it's not. Nothing there.
Nothing from the heat.
No. So Patsy's car. Interesting little thing. So I have no idea who Patsy was or is, because it's been there for many years. And back on the road. Now the temperature for the air is 21.5. You wouldn't want it any cooler, would you?
Oh,
In the sun though.
I won't be in the sun coming back.
No,
Take the washing off when we get
I
back.
haven't seen that before.
Put it all together.
Yeah, old farmhouse of some sort. So this is the Mount Barry Road. We go past this Downs. Can we do the same thing going across? But the trees have changed. So that's the Arid Road. But we're going higher and back around. So it's actually much better than what I've had the last twice that we've been on here. You want down? Yeah, that's it. Beautiful vista from here. You can just see the whole area. I'm relying on the fact that the GoPro's got good action over that way, and we can just turn it down a little bit over there and look through. That's about as far as I can go, but it's an amazing scene, amazing vista. Thousands of years of wind erosion. You can see the rock over there, and it's just wonderful. Not as bad wind wide as I thought.